Morning, everybody. Today we are going to explore the central dome of Expo City Dubai. There is one central dome, very huge, in the center of Expo City Dubai. We are just nearby the central dome. This is a huge dome. There are walking corridors. There are different squares. This is eagle wing type building. Office buildings surrounding the central dome. There are many multinational company offices. So this is the central dome. There is some activity going on. Pools or some water recreational activity is going on. So this is the central dome. We are walking around. There are different corridors around the central dome. This is the central dome. Skylight opening in the middle, in the center. The entry is restricted because there is some activities going on for children. They are preparing for some type of playing activity for children, families. This is another corridor. Spinneys there, Expo City Dubai, Spinneys, and some Indian food restaurant here. You can see here Metro, Masjid, Alif. On every corner of the corridors there are commercial buildings. And inside the square they restricted the entrance because of this some playing activities. They are preparing for some families and children playground activities. Golf carts are there for movement because this is huge area. This is another corridor here. This is going direct to Dubai metro station of Expo City. There is one central park like area in the middle of this central dome. Central dome is a huge structure. This corridor is going to the metro station, the last metro station of the Expo line. There is another building, commercial building here, Rawe Cafe. So these are all huge steel supports of this structure. There are palm trees, other plants for decoration, And this is some swimming pool. You can see the water sports activity for children. There is a small swimming pool, slides. There is artificial slide and swimming pool, and that area is the central park area for under this dome. Or is this under this dome? The entry is restricted today due to this ongoing water sports activity for children. Anyway, Rahway Expo City. This is the hotel, Rahway Hotel Expo City. This corridor is going towards Masjid area. This corridor is going towards the Masjid area. There is another commercial building on the corner of this corridors. There are many corridors surrounding this central dome. Central dome has a skylight in the middle. It's a huge structure without any central support. All supports are on the sides. All these steel column supports are supporting this structure from the sides only. Rubia Galega Steakhouse, Spanish steakhouse. And this is another corridor. Mobility district. There is construction going on there. You can see Terra this side, Rahway Hotel this side. There is also one small park. Green area, small park with the sitting arrangements. So public can come and sit, take rest and enjoy the green environment. There is a UAE flag raised on each and every buildings here in Dubai and UAE. This is huge structure of central dome without any support in the center. All supports are on the surrounding of this dome. There is another corridor here. So the visitors can take a golf cart, mini buggy for moving around because this is a huge area. This is another corridor. This is huge. So I checked with the security. They are telling there is some ceremony will happen on 25th of this April. 25th of April. So for that ceremony or celebrations, they are preparing the water sports, artificial water sports activities for children. The artificial slides, artificial swimming pools, everything for children playground area. There are huge lights and other arrangements, cooling arrangements, lights arrangements for the night activities in the central dome area. So this is the structure, eagle wing. It looks like eagle wing. There is another commercial building on the entrance of this corridor. Terra, this side. So we should visit the Terra. So from this corridor and along this building we are going towards Terra area. Terra is a solar panel area. We are on the Terra corridor. Terra is a sustainable pavilion in the Expo City. You can see the trees surrounding on the sides of every corridor. There are different signages. You can see Al Wasl, Terra, Farsan Park, Connect Conference, Jubilee Park. But we are going towards the Terra area. There is a construction going on here. Sidra Residence. You can see the beautiful images of the Central Dome, Expo City, Dubai. There are different bakeries, restaurants, public entertainment areas. More and more under construction work is going on. Finally, we are in the Terra Pavilion. This is the Sustainability Pavilion. With all around green environment, lush green plants. All is this solar panels generating solar energy, green energy, sustainable energy for the environment, for the city. This is a beautiful designing, umbrella style designing. There are umbrellas on the sides and there is one huge umbrella in the middle. This is one huge umbrella in the middle of this pavilion. This is Terra Pavilion. You can see the greenery surrounding this dome. There is a UAE flag. This is a beautiful futuristic design of Expo City development. Terra. There is written Terra. Sustainability Pavilion, Terra. But the design is great. It looks nice. It's a beautiful design with small solar panel umbrella shape structures on the sides, and in the middle a huge structure, all generating energy from the solar system. Solar energy is green, free, environmentally friendly, eco-friendly, and it's free. There is wild green environment surrounding the Terra Pavilion. So you can see the birds there, beautiful birds, because of greenery and because of all this beautiful development. You can see the plants looks wild and beautiful. There is still construction is going on the sides, but this is the beautiful pavilion. The design is unique. The idea is unique. Access is restricted at this time, but we are visiting, and you can see the huge structure in the middle. So this is Terra Pavilion with umbrella shape structures on the sides surrounding all this. The major structure in the middle all is covered by solar panels. So we started from Central Dome. We are ending here at the Terra Pavilion, Sustainable Pavilion. Thank you very much. Keep supporting. Thank you, everybody.